and a very happy Saturday. Today I've got a comparison video for you. I'm going to be using 3 different nail foil transfer glues, and I will show you how they work and which ones are the best. First, I'm going to take a look at this ModelOnes kit, and while I'm pulling that out, I do want to remind you to hit subscribe and the notification bell so that you never miss out on a video. So this set comes with 2 bottles of glue gel, and you cure them for 40 to 60 seconds in a LED lamp, 1 to 2 minutes in UV. Then you do the transfer. Good to go. So I'm just checking out the bottle. Also, I do just want to apologize if you guys hear any coughing in the background. My poor little daughter is homesick this week, so that's the coughing in the background, just so you know. Okay, so this is a clear gel, and I'm just applying it to the nail, and then I cured it. While that one's curing, I'm going to use this Modern foil gel. It is, again, a UV gel, and it is clear based, so that one cures for 30 seconds. Then I've got this Star Glue Gel. It is an air dry glue. It's not a gel, it's just an air dry glue. And this one is white based. You put it on the nail and let it air dry for 30 to 60 seconds. So this is the ModelOnes glue, and I'm just applying the foil, and I just pulled off a tip of, or a finger of one of the gloves that I use, and I put that on my finger because it is so much easier to rub these on with a rubber glove on. I had just taken mine off, so my hands were sweaty. I didn't want to put it back on, so I just pulled off a finger and used that along with my nails. But if you don't have rubber gloves to use, if you have one of those rubber cuticle pushers, those work great as well. After I cure my ModelOnes gel, I do let it air dry for 60 seconds. It allows the adhesion to be just a bit better than if you were to use it straight out the lamp. So you saw it was full coverage when I used that. So now I move it on to the Modern glue, and this one doesn't really work for foil transfers. So I'll use that nail again later, but I'm moving on to the Star Glue Gel. This one I let air dry for 60 seconds, and I'm just rubbing it on. When you use a foil, you want to lay it down on the nail flat down the middle, and then rub down the sides so that any creases are on the sides, and you just want to kind of scrape those creases flat so that you get the best coverage possible. I know it is hard to see that these are basically full coverage without any big missing spots because it's a patterned foil, so I will show you here in a moment with a full color. But you can see with both of these nails, they didn't have a lot of pieces missing, so they worked out great. So now I'm going to move into the full color foils, and again, I'm just applying that ModelOnes glue, and while that cures and then air dries, I'll apply the Star Glue. So I did find these both to work very well, so it really depends on your preference and the products you're using. I prefer to work with gels, I just do. But if you don't have a UV lamp, or you're having a client that doesn't want to use a UV lamp, or they're just using regular polish, then I would go with the Star Glue foil transfer glue. Otherwise, I would recommend the ModelOnes because it works really well. I liked it a lot. And it has more consistent results to get full coverage transfers more often, more of the time. I hope that makes sense. It's just more consistent for me. So regardless, so this one, I did not wait the 60 seconds. The first one I did. I waited the 60 seconds for it to air dry first. And then this one, I wanted to see what it would be like if I used it straight out of the lamp. I noticed there were some bits missing, so I just laid the foil down anywhere that it was missing and rubbed it on, and I got almost full coverage, but there are some little cracks, and that's fine, that's okay. So this was the Star Glue Gel. Excuse me, I keep saying gel because I work with gel, but I mean Star Glue. That's it, Star Glue. And I'm just rubbing it in the same way that I did on all the others. And you can see that one has some missing bits and some cracks as well. So I'll just lay it back down and rub down on the pieces that are missing. But basically for these thinner ones, you're never gonna get a full transfer every time. The thicker ones, like the patterned one I used, that was a more thick foil, and those will give more full coverage more of the time. Sometimes some thick foils can be very stubborn, so it just depends on the brand of the foil that you're using, but play around with it. I top coated them with gel polish and cured those, and you can see the finished results. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, suggestions, or requests for different sets, let me know down below. I love to hear from you. I know this was a quick one, but this one was for Sydney. I just wanted to show her the difference between the glues and how to use them for the best result. But make sure you guys hit like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!